Dear all, this is Hitesh Manglani. Today we will discuss about power series solution of second order differential equation. So for that, this is the standard form of second order differential equation, as you can see. Y double dash plus p of x y dash plus q of x into y is equal to 0. This is standard form of second order differential equation, where p of x and q of x both are functions of x. So here we will discuss how to find the solution, power series solution of this type of differential equation. So for that we need to understand about different points. So here, as you can see, a point is classified as ordinary point and singular point. Okay. So first of all, what is the meaning of ordinary point? So ordinary point means it is a point where p of x and q of x both are defined. So that particular point is called ordinary point. Here p of x and q of x both must be defined for that particular x0. Then that x0 is called ordinary point. Okay. Now, what is singular point? Singular points means if p of x and q of x both are not defined for that particular point x0. Then that particular point x0 is called singular point. Okay. Now, singular point is further classified as RSP and ISP. Now, RSP means regular singular point. So, what is the meaning of regular singular point? For that, we have to find two functions, x minus x0 p of x and x minus x0 whole square q of x. Okay. So, if these two functions are defined for particular value x0, okay, then that particular x0 is called regular singular point. Yeah? So other case is irregular singular point. In that, what is there? If any one of these is not defined or both are not defined at particular point x0, then that x0 is called irregular singular point. So we can say that all points other than RSP will be in ISP. Okay, so all other cases will be covered here, because if both are defined, then it will be RSP. Otherwise, for all other cases, like any one is not defined, both are not defined, it will cover in ISP. Okay, so this is just basic introduction of points. Okay, what is ordinary point, what is singular point, what is regular singular point, and what is irregular singular point. Okay, so to understand this concept, we will take one example here. So here, as you can see, we have to find the ordinary points and singular points, okay, for given differential equation. Okay, this is a given differential equation: 2x into x minus 2 whole square y double dash plus 3xy dash plus x minus 2 into y equal to 0. Okay, so here we have to convert this differential equation into standard form. That is the first step. So to convert into standard form, what we have to do? We have to divide this coefficient of y double dash. Okay, so we have to divide the given equation by the coefficient of y double dash. Okay, so here we have divided the given equation by this. Okay, 2x into x minus 2 whole square. So it will be y double dash plus 3 over 2x minus 2 whole square, because 1x will cancel out. Okay, and plus 1 upon 2x x minus 2, because 1x minus 2 will cancel out. Okay, so now we will compare this equation with the standard equation, that is y double dash plus pxy dash plus qxy equal to 0. Okay, so by comparing, what we will get? We will get p of x is equal to this. Okay, and q of x is equal to this 1 over 2x x minus 2. So these are our answers of p of x and q of x. Okay, because as per the definition, first we have to find p of x and q of x. Okay, then we can decide what will be our singular point. Okay, so for singular point, what we have studied earlier, okay, we have to equate the denominator equal to 0. Okay, because if we equate the denominator equal to 0, then this p of x will not be defined. Okay, so as per the definition, we have to find such points where p of x and q of x both are not defined. Okay, so if we put this is equal to 0, then we will get x is equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So at these 2 points, this q of x will not be defined. So combining these 2 possibilities, we can say the singular points are x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So this is our conclusion about singular points. Okay. Now we have to find ordinary points. So ordinary points, as we have studied here, what is the difference between ordinary point and singular point? Okay. So ordinary points are where p of x and q of x both are defined. Okay. So here what we have found x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 are points where both functions are not defined. Okay. So we can say that all other points except x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 will be the ordinary point. Okay. Because all these values, these two will be defined, p of x and q of x. Okay. So for ordinary point, we have to write down like this. Okay, all other points except x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Okay, so we have written over here. Now we have to check if x equal to 0 is regular singular point or irregular singular point. Okay, same way we will discuss for x equal to 2. So here first of all I am discussing about x equal to 0. Okay, so as we have studied in the definition, for that we have to find out these two functions, x minus x0 p of x and x minus x0 whole square q of x. Clear? So here I am checking at a point x equal to 0. So what will I do? I will replace x0 by 0. So replacing x0 by 0. So it will be x into and put the value of p of x. Okay. So 3 over 2 x minus 2 whole square. Clear? So here just at last what we have to do? We have to replace the value x equal to 0. Okay, because we are discussing for this point. So by putting x equal to 0, we will get 0 upon this anything. Okay, it will be 0. Okay, so this is, we can say, a finite answer. Clear? Now same way I am finding for this x minus x0 whole square q of x. Clear? So here replacing x0 by 0, it will be x0 into q of x. Clear? Now what is q of x? Q of x is this 1 over 2x x minus 2. Okay. So we just simplify. So x square divided by x, it will be cancelled out. So final will be x divided by 2x minus 2. Clear? Now after simplification, at which point we are checking? We are checking at point x equal to 0. Okay. So replace that by 0. So it will be again, we will get 0 answer. Okay. So that is also one finite value. Okay. So as per the definition, what we have studied, if these two, x minus x0 p of x and x minus x0 q of x, okay, if these two are finite at particular point, then that particular point is called regular singular point. Okay. So by definition, what I can say? I can say that x equal to 0 is regular singular point. Clear? Okay. After that, we will discuss for this point x equal to 2. Okay, so for x equal to 2, again we will find these two things. Okay, x minus x0 p of x, and the second is x minus x0 whole square p of x. Okay, so here I am finding at point x0 equal to 2, so I will replace x0 by 2 here. Okay, so it will be x minus 2, and p of x. What is p of x? This is our p of x. Clear? So simply putting their value. Okay. So again further simplifying here, x minus 2 whole square cancel out, so 3 by 2 into x minus 2. Okay, so this is our final simplification answer, simplified answer. Now I am finding at x equal to 2, so replace x by 2, so it will give us 3 upon 0, that will be undefined, because anything finite upon 0, that will be infinite. So this answer is infinite. Okay, now we are checking x minus x0 whole square into q of x. Okay, so same procedure, replace x0 by 2, q of x, this is our q of x. Okay, 1 upon 2x x minus 2. So here 1 x minus 2 is cancelled out. Okay, so what remains? X minus 2 upon 2x. Okay. Now I am checking at point x equal to 2. So replace x by 2, so it will be 0 upon 4. 0 upon 4 is 0. Okay, so this is, we can say, we got finite answer here. Okay, and here we got infinite answer. Okay, so what we have studied in the definition, irregular singular point. Okay, if any one of these function is infinite, or if both are infinite, okay, then that particular point is called irregular singular point. Okay, so here in this example you can see infinite. So this answer is infinite. Okay, now we are checking x minus x whole square into q of x. Okay, so same procedure, replace x0 by 2, q of x, this is our q of x, okay, 1 upon 2x, x minus 2. So here 1 x minus 2 is cancelled out. Okay, so what remains? X minus 2 upon 2x. Now I am checking at point x equal to 2. So replace x by 2, so it will be 0 upon 4. 0 upon 4 is 0. Okay, so this is, we can say, okay, we got finite answer here. Okay, and here we got infinite answer. Okay, so what we have studied in the definition, irregular singular point. Okay, if any one of these function is infinite, or if both are infinite, okay, then that particular point is called irregular singular point. Okay, so here in this example you can see that for x0 equal to 2, okay, for x0 equal to 2 we are getting an infinite answer, and for x0 equal to 0, x0 equal to 2 we are getting 0 answer. Okay, so one of the answer is infinite. Okay, so by definition this particular point x0 equal to 2 is called irregular singular point, because again I can say, okay, if in some example what happened, if both answers are infinite, okay, then also we can say that, okay, that point is also irregular singular point. Okay, so this is all about points, and it will be helpful for us to study further the topic, okay, how to find power series solution.